To add music to an Instagram post. Start by creating a new post using the plus button at the bottom of the app. Select the media you want to include, such as a photo, and then tap Next in the top right corner. On the next screen, you can add a filter to your post, and you'll also see a music icon next to the Next button. Tap the music icon to select a song to add to your post. You can browse recommended songs or search for a specific song at the top of the screen. Once you've chosen a song, you can scroll through it to select the portion you want to include in your post. You can also choose the duration of the music clip, from 1 to 90 seconds. After selecting your song, tap Done, and the music icon will be replaced by the album art of the song you've added. If you didn't see the music icon on the filter page, you can also add music under the Tag People section. From there, you can edit the music or add a new song. Once you've added your music, you can select Next to add a caption and tag people. When you're ready to share your post, simply tap Share, and the post will be published to Instagram with the music included. Your followers will be able to hear the music while viewing your post.